Hi everyone, I'm glad you've come to cook with Victoria. Today I'll be sharing with you a recipe called twisted donut. We are used to the ring donut, the round donut, but this one is so super easy to make. So come along with me and let's do this together. For our twisted donut, we need flour, egg, yeast, sugar, salt, butter and milk. Here I have combination of both evaporated milk and semi-skimmed milk. You can use evaporated milk throughout, you can use semi-skimmed milk throughout, but I just want a balance. I want it to be balanced, and because I'm using evaporated milk, it's going to make it creamy, and at the same time I don't want it too creamy. That's why I'm combining both. So what I'll be doing now is I have to prove my yeast. I like to prove my yeast whenever I'm using yeast to know if the yeast is good. So I'll warm the milk, use some for my yeast, then warm my butter too to melt it, and I'm going to use the microwave. You can use the stove if you want, but I'm going to use the microwave. I've mixed my yeast. I just added some of the warm milk and I fed it with sugar, and I'm going to set it aside for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it rises up. Don't use hot milk because it's going to kill the yeast. Now what I'll be doing is I'll put my dry ingredient together, the salt, the sugar. I'll give it a quick stir. Put my wet ingredients together. My butter is melted. Now I'm going to break the egg. Now our yeast is ready. The egg, the butter and the milk, both the semi-skimmed milk and the evaporated milk. So I'll use my wooden stick now, a wooden spoon, to stir until everything is well combined. This is how it looks like when mixed thoroughly. It's a bit stretchy. So what we'll do now is I'll just leave it, cover it up and keep it in a warm place for about 1.5 hours or 2, or until the dough doubles in size. Our dough has doubled in size. So what I'll be doing, I'll sprinkle just little flour on my work surface and I'll pour it. It's time to show that you have the muscle you're going to make. It's the same way my son needed the dough when he made bread and garlic butter. If you have not watched the video, please do. If you had too much flour, it's going to be toughened when you are eating it. So we don't want it to be we don't want to add too much of extra flour. So just keep on kneading and you'll be surprised that everything is going to come together. After about 15 minutes of kneading, now we're good. So what I'll be doing now, divide it into 2 equal parts. I have 24 of them. even though some are not, some are smaller than the other. So what I will do is that I'll try to make it long, like a rope, long enough. I don't want the edges to be so thin. Then now I want to start rolling. My left hand at the back, my right hand at the front, then opposite direction. Keep twisting, opposite direction until begin to resist. Then just lift it up. You see, it will just be rolling by itself. And make sure the edge, you pinch it to close it. One done. Take an I've finished twisting all our donuts, twisted donuts. I've allowed them to rest for about 20 to 15 minutes. Now it's time to fry. Our oil is ready. We're frying our twisted donut. They are ready to be taken out. Wow. Let me break into it. Wow. Crispy on the outside, very soft in the inside, very, very fluffy. Wow, this is so nice. When it comes to cooking, you just keep on exploring, and as you explore, you discover a lot, and as you discover, you enjoy. You even enjoy better. Like today, we have explored and we have seen that we can make twisted donuts, and we can even mix our evaporated milk with our semi-skimmed milk, or you can use whole milk, or you can use powder milk. So super easy to make. If you have not liked this video, please do so. Like this video, share it with your friends and family. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe by pressing on the subscribe button, and also click on the notification bell, as this will allow you to be notified each time I upload videos. Leave your comments in the comment section. Till next time, bye.